Rongxing Group is China's leading supplier of carbon metallurgical materials and solutions. Founded in Zhangzhou in 1992, with over 20 years of expertise, the company is committed to research and development and providing a range of high-quality, innovative, cost-effective carbon metallurgical products and solutions. At present, its main products are graphite electrode, electrode paste, calcium petroleum coke, and blast furnace carbon brick. The annual production capacity of graphite electrode, electrode paste, calcium coke, and blast furnace carbon brick reaches 80,000 tons, 200,000 tons, 250,000 tons, and 10,000 tons respectively. The company maintains stringent quality processes and standards in the industry to ensure an effective quality management system. The graphite electrode products have lower consumption rates, high mechanical stability, and other significant advantages. Beyond the standard procedure of selling electrodes, such as signing contracts, providing third-party testing, and regular after-sales service, we support customers in many ways. This includes signing warranty agreement, ensuring the product using effect, identifying a problem before it happens, and solving the problem to relieve customers of worries. As the top electrode paste manufacturer in China, Rongxing Group continuously improves its recipe and upgrades its production technology. The improved electrode paste has the characteristics of high strength and low consumption rate. Its ash content is controlled within 3%. Our experienced engineers periodically visit and check the conditions of every customer's submerged arc furnace and customize technical parameters for each electrode. For the future development blueprint of Rongxing, we will set up localized teams, provide localized services, and establish local production plants. In addition, we will utilize a wide range of channels in various countries around the world to achieve global optimized configuration of resources and services. Our journey is sea of stars. Honesty connects the whole world. Wherever in Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, North Africa, Southern Africa, CIS, South America, or in rainforests, wasteland, deserts, grasslands, world of ice and snow, we'll always explore every corner of the world to get more and more people to accept China-made products. This is our mission. Pursuing peace and purity of mind, emancipating the mind, and seeking truth from facts. The spirit of Rongxing Group is commitment and pursuit of each of our employees and each of our partners around the world.